Hi, 1 Hour Smart Home here, and today we're going to show you how to factory reset your Echo Pop so that if you want to remove all your personal information and set this up on a new account or reset the device to factory default settings, you can do so. In order to reset the device, you want to make sure that it is plugged in and powered up. So I can press the mute button here and I can see that it is powered up. We're going to unmute it here, but that is just to show you you need to have power before you do this. In order to factory reset your Echo Pop, you're going to need to hold down the mute button and volume minus button for approximately 15 seconds. You have to press them down at the same time and then hold them down at the same time for 15 seconds. And then the light will change colors here and the Amazon Echo Pop will start talking to you that it has been factory reset. So we're going to do that now. I press down on the mute and volume minus button at the same time. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17.
Removing your smart home devices and resetting your device. This'll take about a minute. I'll let you know when it's done.
Great. The device started talking to us to let it know that it was resetting, and the light changed colors to yellow. Now all we need to do is wait about a minute and then it will start talking to us again that it has been reset to factory default settings.
Hello. Your device is ready for setup. Just follow the instructions in your Alexa app.
Hola, vamos a empezar. Instala la app de Alexa y sigue las instrucciones.
Bonjour. Votre appareil est prêt pour la configuration. Téléchargez l'application Alexa et suivez les instructions.
Great. Our Echo Pop has now been reset to factory default settings, and you can see that the light is on, as well as it started talking to us that this was ready for setup. It took about a minute for it to go through the process where it started talking to us and that the light popped up. Now, if you want to set up your Echo Pop, all you're going to need to do is look down in the description below and it will show you how to set back up your Echo Pop on your new account. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you next time.